Hunting at Bear Bridge Ranch. We're hoping to get a couple of great big monster hogs. We're sure going to give it a try. My good friend Tony Cantalosi's with me.
We don't know. We've never been here before, but we feel pretty good about it. And we'll see what we can see. We'll do our best.
Bear Bridge Ranch. Look at the little lake we had to fish on. I spent some time on that dock. Look at that dock, would you? Guys, when you come here hunting, make sure you bring your fishing equipment too. You're going to enjoy this like you absolutely would not believe. This is to keep the bears from destroying the fences.
As you can see under the fence, the fence is all bent underneath. They will crawl over it if they don't have a bridge.
The mounts here are unreal. I don't know if I'd rather get the buffalo or the Russian. Look at that Russian, would you? Good grief. God, I'd like to get something like that. That's not bad either. This place is awesome. There's something that's different. I've never seen a mount like that before. really serious about hunting, which most of us are, hogs and deer, their main number one defense is their nose. If you can get by that, you got a very good chance of having a successful hunt. The best I have found, the best cover scent I've ever used is a product called Hunter's All Natural Pine and Fresh Earth Scent. Completely unmessy, very inexpensive, and lasts for years. All you do is put them back in a little container and they rejuvenate. I've had these for 2 or 3 years and they work absolutely fantastic. Highly recommended. Bear Bridge Ranch. What a hog. This is number 2. Great big old boars. Second one I shot. God, this has been a trip I'll never forget. Never. Look at the size of that dude, would you? Look at the cutters on him. Woo.